Are you in a situation where you have to deal with a plumbing emergency situation? Here are tips you can use to help avoid plumbing emergencies in your home. In any kind of do-it-yourself pipe task, ensure that you constantly check the drain pipes as well as the supply line prior to you closing the wall surfaces. It is a great deal much easier to locate and also resolve troubles if you try to find them while you are still in the process of proactively getting the job done. Before you can address a toilet that does not flush appropriately, it is essential that you learn what is creating the trouble. Relying on what the issue is, you might have the ability to repair it on your own. Nonetheless, much more challenging bathroom flushing troubles might need the solutions of a plumbing professional. Make sure to blow out your lawn sprinklers before the colder months arrive. If you neglect to do it or have it done, you're more times than not likely to experience busted lines as well as need to go with the cost and also the job associated with changing those lines. If you have an air compressor, it can be done by yourself and also it will certainly not set you back. If you want a brand new tub, attempt to obtain one that is made from porcelain enamel. These sort of bathtubs do need accurate as well as correct treatment. However, their benefit is that they have the ability to stand up to the chemicals that are located in lots of bathtub cleansing items. You ought to attempt utilizing a plumbing professional to unblock an obstruction in your home piping structure. Fluid cleansers that are indicated to unblock the blockages in a drain pipe can destroy the pipelines. You need to likewise utilize filters to capture hair to make sure that it does not decrease the drain pipe and also obtain clumped as well as obstruct your drain pipe. When winter comes around, separate your water hoses from any outside taps. If you don't do this, water in the pipes can ice up as well as increase. This can trigger the taps and also the attaching pipelines inside your residence to ice up as well as damage. Now, by easily rolling up your hoses and also storing them until spring, you can protect against expensive pipes repair services. Things to not put in your drains. By understanding what you can and cannot purge or toss away into the waste disposal unit and also sink, you can conserve on your own from a pricey fixing job. A plumbing professional can generally clean your pipes to flow well again. However, issues can be prevented if you keep in mind what you can and cannot put into drains and toilets. Do not place cooking oils, fat, or oil down your drain pipe. These fats trigger blockages by strengthening the pipelines. To effectively throw away fats, place them in a dish with a cover that you can deal with. Once it obtains hard, toss it in the garbage or garden compost container. As you can see, maintaining pipes in good shape in your home isn't so frightening when you understand what to do. Adhere to the ideas you have actually reviewed right here whenever you have an issue with your pipes, and it can also quickly resolve any small plumbing issues, all without needing to call a plumbing expert to repair the trouble for you. But for the troubles you can't stop or find, don't waste time calling a professional plumber. Hiring a plumber is much more cost-effective in the long run.